So, pauwi na ako. And bago ako umuwi, let me briefly discuss to you about the STCW extension, about Seaman Book extension. So, yung mga updates, kasi maraming mga seafarers ang nagtatanong. So, sobrang brief lang nitong live ko. Pero maghintay muna ako na manonood. Wow, walang nanonood. So yan, i-discuss ko lang briefly ano ba yung mga new updates about STCW, certificates, extension, and the Seaman Book extension. No? So kung yung mga question kayo, i-comment nyo na para masagot na agad natin. Alright, so we have 7 viewers. Okay, so we can start now because we have how many viewers we have? Oh, we have 10 viewers. Okay, good to go. Anyhow, so meron tayo kasi maraming advisory yung lumabas, no? Kasi nga, let's say putal-putal kasi yung extension, no? So, yung pinaka-latest, which is kaka-release lang ngayong December, Marine advisory para dun sa STCW certificates extension due to COVID-19. So, applicable to sa lahat ng mga on-board at sa lahat ng mga nakabakasyon. So, dati, kung ang certificate nyo is expiring or expired between March to December 2020, then it will be extended for 1 year. Okay? Yung extension na yon na-extend pa. Ang coverage na po ng certificate, if your certificate is expiry between March 2020 to June 2021, extended siya for 1 year. For example, February 2021 yung expiration ng certificates ninyo. We're talking about STCW certificate. Okay? Then, extended siya for 1 year. Ang bago niyang validity is February 2022. So, kailangan nyo bang i-apply sa Marina? No. Automatic extended yan. So, para sa mga nasa barko, ang manning office na ninyo ang bahalang mag-inform sa principal or kung kanino man about the new memorandum, no? So, papadala lang naman nila yung advisory ng Marina para ma-aware yung mga tao sa barko na ito na yung bagong validity. So, walang yung certificate na i-issue, kundi advisory lang. Okay? And merong Seaman Book, nagtatanong din. So, sa Seaman Book, wala pang masyadong adjustment na ginagawa. Ang extended pa din is All Seaman's Book or SRB expiring between March to December 2020 will be or shall be extended for the period of 1 year. So for the STCW certificates, extended po yan from March to June 2021. March 20 to June 2021 ang extension. Sa Seaman Book naman, March to December yung coverage ng extension. So, 1 year lang. Iba po yung sa mga tanker vessel, no? I'm not referring to STCW dun sa mga tanker. Like, for example, dito. So, merong ibang advisory doon. So, you guys need to check. How about mga BT na nag-expire, ma'am, during onboard may extension po ba? Hi, Lloyd. It's very clear naman. Diba? Applicable siya sa nakabakasyon and to all the guys on board yung STCW extension. Okay? So, kung nasa barko ka, extension, manning office mo na yung bahala dyan for the extension. Like kami, meron kami seafarer na pa-expired yung certificate niya, so kami na yung nag-aasika. So, it's either ipapalivalidate namin or yung automatic extension. So, depende sa amin. Hi, Tassos from Greece. Thank you so much, Tassos, for always watching. Regards to all people from Greece. Yung BT po ba na nag-expire ng June 2020, kasama po ba? Thanks, Wesh. Yes, Ki Ombaw. Kasama siya. Uulitin ko po ha, malinaw. STCW certificates. Huwag muna nating isama yung mga tanker certificate. STCW certificates, except doon sa mga tanker certificates na expiry or expired between March 2020 to June 2021. Extended po yan ng 1 year. Kailan mag-i-start yung extension? For example, na-expired yung certificate nyo ng February 1, 2021. So, mag-count kayo ng 1 year. Ang new expiry nga is February 1, 2022. So, plus 1 year lang lagi from the date of expiration. Sana malinaw yan. Okay. And ang tanong nyo, makaka-receive ba kayo ng panibagong certificate? With regards to extension, the answer is no or wala. No? Automatic extension lang yan. Advisory lang ang ipapadala natin sa barko to support that extension. Edel, I really don't understand ano yung mahirap intindihin. Pero Edel, yung PSCRB bond na expired ng June 2021 or mag-expire ng June 21, 2021, yes, extended pa rin siya. June is June. Okay? Yay! Ayan, malinaw na. Very good. You guys going home?
Yes.
Okay, ingat. Oh, si Jay, July 2021 po ma-expire. The answer is no, it is not extended. Thanks sa info, sipag naman mag-update ni ma'am. So, yun lang yung update ko. Ulitin ko bago ko tapusin itong live ko na to. Again, STCW certificates, extension due to COVID-19. Kung ang certificate ninyo, STCW certificate ninyo, yung regular STCW certificate, huwag po natin isama yung tanker certificate. Iba po yung process sa tanker, okay? STCW certificates, expiry or expired between March 2020 to June 2021. Extended po siya ng 1 year. Kailan mag-start yung extension? Pag na-expired yung certificate nyo today, mag-count kayo ng 1 year. So, that is the extension. That is the validity and that is the start of the extension. Edel, June 21, 2021 po ma'am, pasensya na. Extended, Edel. Okay, what if April 2021? Mark, I don't know guys if you are just posting question. Pero very, very clear naman yung instruction ng Marina. So, March 20, 2020 to June 2021. Extended siya for 1 year. Applicable siya sa lahat ng onboard at nakabakasyon. That's all for today and see you again later because I have some live again for the mga companies na merong mga tanker vessel. See you guys! Bye-bye!